Hello and welcome. Philippine Ground Orchid or Large Purple Orchid. Scientific name Spathoglottis plicata. Plant type: it is a perennial terrestrial orchid. Appearance: it has crowded pseudobulbs, large pleated leaves, and can produce up to 40 pink to purple flowers. Habitat: it's native to tropical and subtropical Asia, Australia, and with Western Pacific. Cultivation: it prefers partial shade to filtered sunlight, moderate watering, and well-draining, rich, slightly acidic soil. Flowering occurs from September to April in Australia and in most months in China. The large purple orchid is found in Taiwan, southern India, Indonesia, and in many other countries. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more videos like this.